Hey, hello, and welcome to this video where um, we'll be talking about how network marketing actually works. Okay, well, I'm explaining it in words as much as I can. If you're interested in starting a business in network marketing or just curious about this business model, this video is for you. And there's some people over here fighting, so please ignore the sound you may possibly hear in the background. Hello and welcome to the self-improvement channel on YouTube. My name is 𝙏𝙗𝙖 𝙤𝙤, and I feel really excited to have you here with me on this video today. This channel is a space for you to come to learn, grow, and develop in various areas of life. Okay, that's whether you're looking to enhance your personal relationships, your career, your mental and physical health, or just seeking overall self-improvement. This niche has got you covered. Okay, here's where you'll find a wide range of content sharing personal experiences, tips, and strategies to help you become the best version of yourself. Okay, so sit back, relax, and let's embark on this journey of self-discovery and self-improvement together. All right, go ahead, subscribe to this channel today if you haven't already, because you don't want to miss any future uploads. Okay. All right, so if you catch me looking around, there's just some people out here acting really weird today. There's some people fighting with rocks and sticks. Child, they tripping. I might have picked a bad spot. But network marketing, also known as multi-level marketing or direct selling, is an actual business model. Oh, what is that? Sorry, y'all. It sells products through services of a network of independent distributors. Okay, and so basically, where was I at? So basically, these distributors buy the products or the services from the company at a discounted price, and then they sell them to the customers at a markup, earning a commission on the sales that they make. So you actually buy low and you flip it. Okay, that's what the model is. Okay, you buy low and you flip it and resell it. Okay, so the unique thing about network marketing is that distributors can also recruit other distributors into their network, and you'll earn a commission on the sales that are made by the recruits. All right, so that's it in a nutshell. You do have to put in a lot of work, or just have, a network of people that trust you. Okay, this is the concept of a downline. This is where the downline concept comes in. And as a distributor, you'll build your downline by recruiting people into your network and helping them build their network, their own network of distributors. It's a lot of, so yeah. Hold on, I'm just kind of waiting for it. So the compensation plan in network marketing typically involves earning a percentage of the sales that are made by your downline, as well as bonuses for reaching certain milestones and achieving certain sales targets. So now it looks like the police done showed up for whatever was going on. Okay. All right. And so now, kind of losing my train of thought here. So with hard work and dedication, it is possible to earn a significant income in network marketing, but it's important to actually understand that it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. Okay. And so I'm going to just kind of walk away from this area. It looks like it's about to be a crime scene area. The police done showed up. People were pain bodying out. So let's take a closer look at how network marketing actually works in practice. Okay, first, you need to find a network marketing company that sells great products. Okay, unique products or services that you believe in and are passionate about. Okay, and then you basically are going to buy them at a wholesale price. Okay, and so you basically want to start out by doing your own research and make sure the company has a good reputation and a solid track record. You want to look for reviews and testimonials from current and former distributors, just to get an idea of what it's like to work with that company. Okay. And So basically, once you found this a good company you want to work with, you'll need to sign up as a distributor. It's an application. This usually involves, the application. You fill it out, paying a fee to purchase a starter kit or a product bundle, and it should be at a reasonable price. It shouldn't be too expensive. Once you get your kit, they're going to mail it to you. Okay. The starter kit usually contains everything you need to get started, including samples of the products. You're going to get marketing materials and training materials. Either the company will provide it, or your sponsor should be able to provide that information to you, or some kind of training packet or something like that. It's important to take advantage of the training and the support that's provided by either by the company or your sponsor to learn how to sell the products effectively and build your network up. Okay, if that makes sense. All right. And I just kind of moved away from that riffraff so they wouldn't come over here asking me no type of questions. All right. So as you start selling the products, you'll also want to start recruiting other people into your network, sharing the goodness of those products, your results. This, sharing the business opportunity with others, and basically inviting them to join your team. And I got to get out of here. Now, as you start selling the products, you'll also want to start recruiting other people into your network. And this involves sharing the business opportunity with others and inviting them to join your team. So, in a nutshell, when you recruit someone into your network, you become their upline, and you're basically responsible for helping them build their own network. Okay? It's like you're acting as a guide. So, since this is a channel where we explore exciting opportunities that can change your life, let's dive deeper into the world of network marketing and a compensation plan that has the potential to skyrocket your earnings. It's actually called the binary compensation plan. Let's get into it. So, I just want to start by saying, as your downline continues to grow, or once it starts to grow and becomes more successful, you'll also earn a percentage of their sales, as well as bonuses for reaching certain milestones or achieving certain sales targets. So that's very important to keep in mind. Imagine a life where you actually call the shots, where your income isn't limited by some traditional 9 to 5 job. Okay. And, I just want to say, my friends, network marketing with a binary compensation plan offers just that. It's a game changer that can actually lead you to financial freedom and a lifestyle most people only dream of. Now, you may be asking, why does this concern you? Well, take a look around you at how many people are concerned about their financial situation at all times. Now, let's break down the binary compensation plan. Every company may have a different way of providing compensation to their distributors, but picture a team divided into 2 legs. You've got your left leg and you've got your right leg, okay? Now, as you start recruiting and building your network, every new recruit you bring in is placed in one of these legs, either on the left or the right. And get this, it's not just about your efforts or what you're doing, but also the collective effort of your team. So, as your team members start making sales, you're going to earn commissions, not only on your personal efforts or your sales, but also on the sales that is generated by your weaker leg. Okay. And this creates an incredible type of synergy where teamwork directly impacts your earnings. Okay. And here's the really exciting part is your income potential grows exponentially as your team expands. Okay. So is still skeptical? Well, let me share some inspiring success stories from network marketers who've actually achieved remarkable results with the binary compensation plan. Now, I want you to meet John. This is John here. He's a really hardworking individual. He started from scratch in network marketing with a lot of dedication and persistence. He built a team that generated incredible sales volume. Now, as of today, John enjoys financial freedom. He travels the world and inspires others to pursue their dreams. All right, and then there's Sarah. Now, Sarah, she's a stay-at-home mom who decided to take control of her financial future. And through network marketing with this binary compensation plan, she not only contributed to her family's income, but also gained valuable skills, confidence, and a supportive community. Now, these success stories are just the tip of the iceberg, my friends. Network marketing offers a binary compensation plan that has the power to transform your life and and the lives of those around you. It's a business opportunity that rewards your hard work, your dedication, and your ability to build strong relationships. Okay, um, you know, I cannot put it any other kind of way. So why should you consider joining this network marketing revolution that I've been talking about with the binary compensation plan? Well, it's simple. You have the potential to earn big. You get to create a life on your terms, and you get to impact the lives of others. All right. So say goodbye to the limitations of a traditional job and hello to a world of possibilities. Okay. And I don't know. There's a lot of people that doubt the business of network marketing, but it's really time to get into it. Okay. So that's all I have for you right now today, my friends. I want you to remember, if you really actually want to achieve better results, extraordinary results in your life and your business, you have to step out of your comfort zone. We have to get out of our comfort zone. Network marketing has binary compensation plans that just might be your ticket to the life that you keep wanting to create or that you've always dreamed of. Okay. So if you found this video helpful, hit that button, subscribe to my channel, and join this incredible community of go-getters. Okay. And until next time, I want you to keep dreaming, keep hustling, and keep changing lives. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. Okay. I feel like there's some things that I missed and didn't cover, but I can cover that in another video. I do hope you enjoyed this content and found it informative, entertaining, or thought-provoking. Your support means the world to me, and I appreciate every view. If you made it this far in the video, I strive to provide high quality and engaging videos on a regular basis, and I do cover a wide range of topics and interests. So again, if you haven't already, I want to encourage you to subscribe and hit that notification bell down in the corner so you can stay up to date with my latest releases. And if you know someone who needs a change in their life, please share this video with them. Okay. There's a lot of people looking for legitimate ways to make money and do things the way they want to do things. So once again, I want to thank you for your time. Stay curious, stay inspired, and stay motivated. I'll see you in the next video. And don't forget to read the disclaimer that will usually be left in the description box below. I will briefly go over the disclaimer with you real quick. The content on this channel is for reference purposes only. It's not a substitute for advice from a licensed hair care professional or health care professional. Okay. The promoter may or may not receive a commission regarding purchases made if you do it through this avenue. You should not rely solely on this content, and we assume no liability for any inaccuracies. You are to always read labels and directions before using any products that we recommend. Statements regarding any dietary supplements on this channel have not been evaluated by the FDA, and these products are not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease or any condition. All right, until next time, love and peace.